Ever wondered how the banking world could look if we applied the principles of quantum physics to it? Well, it's no longer a question of if, but when. Welcome to the future of banking, quantum banking. Quantum banking, a new frontier in the financial industry, offers a revolutionary approach to managing and securing financial transactions. But what exactly sets it apart from traditional banking methods? Let's dive into the details. Traditional banking methods have served humanity well for centuries, providing a stable and reliable platform for transactions. Operations like deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and loans are all processed sequentially, adhering to the time-honored principles of cause and effect. However, these methods have their limitations, particularly when it comes to speed, security, and transparency. Enter quantum banking, where the laws of quantum physics come into play. Instead of sequential processing, quantum banking allows for simultaneous processing of transactions. This is possible due to the principle of superposition, where a quantum bit, or qubit, can exist in multiple states at once. Imagine being able to make a deposit, withdraw, and transfer funds all at the same time. The potential for speed and efficiency is mind-boggling. Security is another area where quantum banking shines. Unlike traditional methods that rely on encryption algorithms that can be cracked with enough computing power, quantum banking leverages quantum entanglement for security. This means the information shared between two parties is instantly connected regardless of the distance. Any attempt to intercept or alter the information would immediately be detected, providing an unparalleled level of security. Transparency, a significant concern in traditional banking, is also enhanced with quantum banking. The principle of quantum superposition allows for real-time tracking and verification of transactions. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, resulting in a more transparent banking process. Yet quantum banking is not without its challenges. It requires significant technological investment and a shift in mindset to fully embrace the quantum world. However, the potential benefits make it an exciting prospect for the future of banking. So, are you ready to step into the future of banking? Explore quantum banking. Experience the speed, security, and transparency it offers. Don't just adapt to the future, shape it with quantum banking. It's time to quantum leap into a new era of financial transactions.